Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for the most practical product reviews. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best automatic trash can small, the NINESTARS DZT50-28. A 13-gallon rectangular touchless motion sensor trash can that blends smart technology with everyday convenience. Let's dive in. At first glance, the design stands out. A stainless steel body with a stylish black trim gives it a modern, almost premium look that doesn't scream trash can. It complements your space. It's not just about looks though. The fingerprint-resistant surface means you won't be constantly wiping smudges or marks. Just a clean, polished appearance all the time. Now here's where the magic happens. This touchless lid opens using an advanced infrared motion sensor. Just wave your hand and it opens like clockwork, fast, smooth, and quiet. It doesn't slam shut either, which not only reduces noise but extends the life of the lid mechanism itself. You might be wondering, what if a pet walks by or a kid runs past it? No worries. It comes equipped with a delay sensing technology that smartly detects real motion, not just random nearby movement. That means fewer false opens and longer battery life. Speaking of which, it runs on 2D-size batteries, and while they're not included, using high-quality alkaline batteries is highly recommended for optimal performance. Changing bags is easy too. Inside, there's a removable ring liner that holds the bag snug and prevents it from overhanging. That means you get a clean, tucked-in appearance and no slipping bags falling into the bin, a common frustration with other models. And the lid does more than just open and close. It seals in odors, perfect if you're using it in a kitchen or dormitory where food waste can stink things up quickly. The lid's airtight closure helps minimize the spread of smells and prevents cross-contamination. This trash can isn't limited to just your kitchen. It's perfect for home offices, dorm rooms, or even bathrooms. Basically any spot where you want a clean, hands-free, germ-conscious solution. As for maintenance, it's minimal. Wipe it down with a damp cloth once in a while, keep fresh batteries handy, and it'll keep working reliably for a long time. Plus, if anything goes wrong, it's backed by a hassle-free 2-year warranty with customer support that actually responds. And they'll replace defective parts without extra charges. So, to wrap it up, the NINESTARS DZT50-28 is more than just a trash can. It's a hygienic, smart, and stylish solution for modern living. At around $61.99, it's priced reasonably for the features it offers: motion sensing lid, odor control, sleek build, and long-lasting performance. If you're ready to upgrade from your old step-on bin or just want to minimize contact with germ-prone surfaces, this one's a winner. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product rundowns. And let us know in the comments what you want us to review next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.